Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create this amazing dashboard. So might be today's video will be little longer, but yes, let's start to understand this dashboard. So here I have created this dashboard on the basis of the data set of IPL, okay, of from 2014 to 2019. So you guys can see on the top side, on the top. Okay, on the top I have given the two drop down, first of the team name and the second of the year. So what I have shown here is Rajasthan Royals. Okay, Rajasthan Royals, in 2018 how actually they performed. So you guys can see in 15 match total they played, and out of that they won 7 matches and they lost 8 matches. And in the first inning they chosen the bat and 10 times they did the ball. Okay, and whatever the matches they won, on an average run was 11. Okay, so these are the key metrics on the top you guys can see, which I have shown in the cards. And in the chart, these are the four, the players in the Rajasthan Royals who all were the player of the match in 2018. Okay, and how many runs they scored you guys can see. Okay, so if I will select different team, for example Chennai Super Kings, so you guys can see. So you guys can see here I have shown, I have shown the same thing, but team wise and year wise performance this is. So if I will select 2015 for example, so you guys can see the things are automatically getting changed. So this data is not 100% accurate. Okay, I have made some amendments in the numbers, okay, in the runs. So you guys do not go on the Google and start to compare this dashboard. Okay, so let's start to understand how we can do this. So here I'm just going to show you the data. Okay, I have a data here from 2000. This is the year from this. Okay, this is the key I have created to pick the values, right? So this is the data. Okay, I'm going to copy. Okay, I'm going to copy it and going to paste in the different workbook. Very simple. I haven't done anything so far. So let's just close this workbook now. I'm just going to close this. I just closed. Now let's start to make that dashboard, okay, exactly the same. Okay, from the starting how we can do this. So let me just wait. Active window. All right, so here this is the raw data. Okay, here we need to do some calculation. First of all, let's create the one worksheet. Rough rough sheet. Yeah, rough, you guys can write. So here you need to first of all create the two drop down. Okay, two drop down. Here team name and year. So let's copy the team first. Copy all the teams from I, copy it and paste it in the last, and remove the duplicates. Okay, so this is the the team list we have created. And now let's create the list here by using the data validation. So here I have created the list, you guys can see. Okay, and same we need to do for year. So let's copy the year and paste it in this in the last and remove the duplicates. Okay, I did it. Now same we need to create the drop down for the same, for the year list, and select this drop down. So here we have created. Okay, you guys can see the two drop down we have created. So here next, what how many things we want to show, we want to populate in the dashboard. First, total matches. Okay, total matched and won matched and lost match. All right, and the third, so total, not a title, total. What is this? Okay, so first let's populate the number. You need to use countif. Okay, from this year. First of all, you need to select this year, and in this year the references we have given. Okay, D, first of all you need to select the D and select the team. Okay, you did it. Now just copy it and paste it, and plus and paste it. Why? Because this team also can ball first and can bat first, right? So we need to select the range from from D and E. You need to go back. First we did selected D, now we need to select E. Okay, and okay. So here we do not have any value. So if I will select 2017, so we have 16, right? So won matches, how many won, how many matches out of 16 this rising super, I mean Pune Super Giants won, okay, in 2017. So in 2017, so winner, whomsoever, whatever the team won, okay, and that name actually, in the I. So we need to get the count from I column. So how we can do? Let's put count ifs, select this column and give this name, and in this year, simple 16, and do simply this minus this, okay. So this is the last match. All right, so how many times? This is the three metrics we have created so far, okay, in just simple using the counting. Next, what we need to do, we need to basically, get the count how many times they did the bat and how many times they did the ball, and on an average run as well, okay, average runs, one average run, okay. Now simple, just you need to copy it first, just copy the formula and paste it here. What you need to do, one more criteria you need to write here, only of this G column, toss decision, they did the field, they did the bat, okay, comma, and select this one. And same, you need to just copy this criteria, just copy this criteria, okay, and paste it here as well. Enter. They did the two times bat. You need to, now what you need to do, you need to just copy all these things again and paste it here. You need to change the reference only, this reference, okay. Something went wrong. Yeah, we need to just equal to count ifs, select the year, select this year again. What you need to do, you need to just select this team, okay, you need to select this team and this one, and after that bat and ball, this range G column, and everything was correct, still it's correct, but we have not given the name because here we have a value. Now we have a value by field, not by ball, okay. So just copy the field and paste it here, okay. You guys can see now. If you will see, if you will do the sum up, so this will be equal to the total match, right? So the, the Pune Super Giants, played in the 2017, and they played total 16 matches, they won 10 and they lost 6 matches, okay. And out of 16 they did 2 times bat and 14 times ball, okay. And on an average we need to, calculate here. So what we need to do is, so write here average ifs, in this year, okay, in this year, simple criteria we are giving, okay. And winner list we have in I column, select this and this one. Whatever the matches, this team won, what was the average? We did some mistake. Average ifs, we need to give the average range, okay. So average run here, we have win by runs, right? This one, this column J column we need to select, and after that A column where we have a year, so this you need to select, and after that again you need to go back to the rough sheet and select this drop down, okay, where you have a year, select this one, and after that we need to select this I column where we have a list of winners team, and let's give this B1 reference and press OK. 12 runs, okay. So what I can see now, if I will select, for example, I am selecting this Kolkata Knight Riders. So you guys can see we have gone, we have seen all the details of it. So I'm just, changing 2018, okay, and selecting Chennai Super Kings, for example. So 16 matches they played, 11 they won, 5 they lost, one time they did the bat, 50 times they did the ball, and 7 runs on an average they on, I mean, whatever the matches, CSK won, the one runs, average one run was 7. Okay, now we need to show these things, where in the dashboard. How we can, show it very, I mean, in a very attractive manner. How we can show these things, in the dashboard. We will learn that. But before that, we also need to show and need to populate the player of the match, details, right? So how we can do that? So let's understand. So first you need to again, go back to the data and select, copy the player names and make it unique here. Make it unique here, simple, and remove the duplicates. So Here you have got it. So we need to pull out the runs. Okay, runs. So we need to pull out the runs. How we can do that? We need to create one unique column, unique of team, year, and the play match. Okay, so we can do, we can basically uh, we also can do the sum up, right? Yes. Okay, we need to do the, we need to make the unique of year and this winner match and player and drag it. Now let's do it. Equal to VLOOKUP, first year, freeze it, and team, freeze it, and you guys can leave it like this, and select from here to batsman run. I want to see comma. Okay, comma, just what is the column number? Column number would be 17. Okay, 70 comma 0 enter. So wherever we have a error, we need to put it as a 0. So now if I will see, so I have a details, you guys can see, MS Dhoni, and I mean whomsoever played in 2018, whomsoever won the player of the match, we have seen the details here. Okay, now what next we need to do? Would be, we will be creating the chart on this big data? Not at all, not possible. Okay, so I want to see, what I want to see here, cut it and let's make it little more space here. Wherever I have name, okay, help column we need to tag. Wherever we have a runs unequal to 0, we want the player, we want yeah, we want the player name. Okay, otherwise blank. You guys can see, this is how we will be able to create the charts. We need to make some data unique. You guys can see MS Dhoni and everything we are getting, right? Now I want one more helping column. Wherever I have a value, okay, in this table, I want to put here serial numbers. Okay, so equal to if, first of all, and if the value is unequal to blank, then count it should be, and it would be the running count. Okay, which can give me, which can give me the serial number on the non-blank cells. Okay, comma blank, comma blank, and we need to freeze first G2 and drag it here. Okay, you guys can see, if I will select this one, so you guys can see here I have a serial number 24, 44, 53, and these are the serial number, and on the basis of these serial numbers I will be able to capture the player name. So how we can do that? So basically we need to write a large function. Okay, in the large, from row number comma 1. Okay, this is the numbers we have seen, this is the row number, these are the row number, and now you need to put here address, row number we have got, and column number would be what? Column number would be this player, enter, and we have got the the references of the cells. Now we need to read it indirectly, use the indirect function and enter. So here the names are different. Why? Because I have put it, I mean this count a function, which is giving the serial number, we need to do +1 here, because we are excluding the, in order to include the header, right, we need to do the +1 here and drag it. Now if you will see guys, so the plain name actually got changed. Okay, and wherever we have errors, so I want the 0 here, simple. Okay, 0, and run same, I want the run, so equal to VLOOKUP simple, we can pull the runs from here, 2 comma 0, enter. Okay, wherever we have errors, let's put the 0. So we have done the calculation so far, but we need to create the one more dynamic ranges. Okay, how? Equal to offset, this is comma 0 comma, because in the last video I have shown you the how we can create the dynamic chart. Okay, in that I have already explained about this offset function, so I hope guys you have gone through. If you have not, so please go through that video and understand this formula. Okay, and equal to countifs, and wherever we have a value unequal to 0, okay, we want to capture that 1 or enter. Just copy this and create the naming range here. In formula, go and write here player, PLAY, we have done, just wait. Okay, click OK. Again we need to create one more dynamic range for the runs. So what is this? Okay, runs, and paste it here. We need to make one little change here. Instead of in the column 0 0, we have here, we need to do the 1. Click OK. Simple. Now let's create one chart here. Insert, go here and insert the blank chart. Right click, select data, here go in add, select the runs, and here for the runs, what naming range we have created? We created runs, right? Select runs and OK. Simple. And in edit, go here and select any plain name and remove till exclamation sign up, right here play, and OK, and OK. Simple. We have not done anything so far. Okay, this is the dynamic chart we have created. Now if we will change anything, you guys can see if I'm changing, you know Delhi capital, so you guys can see everything is getting changed. So we have did each and everything, but now things is only pending to populate all these things in the dashboard. So how we can do that? So these are the main activity we need to do here. Only we need to put the efforts in our thought process. Okay, and how we can pull out the values, whatever we are thinking, whatever the insights we want to pull out from the data, right? So let's create one more sheet here, dashboard. Okay, and remove the grid line here and select, and just you guys can do anything like this. Okay, colors part, something which depends on you how you want to do. Okay, for example, I am creating this one and writing here what I am writing here. I am writing here, for example, IPL dashboard. Okay, IPL dashboard. All right, and increasing the font size and giving the this one. Okay, and I have one icon. You guys can go online as well, but I already do have. But if you don't want, so go online and select and search whatever the icons you want to select. For example, I'm selecting here cricket only, cricket icons. Okay, I'm writing simply, I'm selecting, for example, this one and inserting it, okay, in the sheet. So you guys can see I have got it, and I can decrease the size. I can decrease the size like this. Okay, and I can put it anywhere in the dashboard in order to make it unique. So go here and choose the color, for example, white, and now it seems little good. Okay, so that's what actually we have done so far. All right, so create one more insert here, create one more shape. Okay, and give the common color here. Okay, give the common color here, for example, give the common color where we can show the cards, right? Where we can show the cards. So color I would like to choose, for example, you know select any color, for example, this one. No, this one, this one, this one, this one. All right, let's give the same color, and but change the shape, you know make it little unique. Okay, so here I want to create the two unique, two drop down. So go here, select the shape, go in shape format and pick out, just you need to draw little text box here. Give the text box, and text box name should be team name. Okay, make it in center, do bold, and remove the background color. No background color, and text should be your white. Okay, I did the white here. So adjust it somewhere like this, and copy is the same, paste it, and 1 second for year, right? So right here, years, we did it. Okay, now let's create the drop down. Go in developer, insert the drop down, this one. Okay, and select it like this, and right click and go in format control. Simply go click on this input range, go in rough. We have created the unique name of the team. In the cell link, give the cell link beside this one. For example, I'm just giving the C1. Okay, and 3D shading I'm giving. I'm clicking on OK. Now if you will see, I have a drop down of the team, right? You see, but it's not linked with the data, right? Now let's create one more drop down for the year. select the draw it here, and right click and go in format controls, click on input range, go in rough and select the year which we have a unique. In the cell link, let's give the cell link as a unique here, D1 and 3D shading, and okay. You guys can see I have created the drop down 2015 and Kings 11 Punjab. So here still the data is only of the data is just copy and cut it and paste it here. Okay, I cut it and paste it here. So you guys can see still it's looking much good. Okay, but still we have not created the card so far. But you guys can see if I'm selecting any team name, but still the chart is remaining same. So how it will get changed? First, the drop down which we have created, we need to remove it. We need to remove it and clear it and click on OK. Now here you need to write the one function index and select the range of the player, and row number is this, and OK. Okay, and same here, all DL, sorry, equal to index. We need to give the array range. Okay, and select the row number will be this 3. Okay, now you see now chart also got changed. Okay, so this is how we guys can we have created. If I will do the full screen, so you will be able to see. So if I will select this like this, and if I will remove the grid line and remove this axis, and the chart, this we need the chart title we need to make unique. So what we can do, we can directly give the reference of the team. Click on this and equal to which, equal to team name, Delhi Capitals, right? Okay, now you guys can see, right click on this, go and fill, select this one, or if you don't want to see, select this one. Okay, and we need to make it as a bold. Okay, as a bold, and give the data labels as well, so that it will look better. You see, now you also guys can increase and decrease the font size. For example, I need to do it, so I need to increase the font size of the data labels. Okay, and I am increasing. All right, so I have increased. So we have done everything. If I will select 2018, for example 2018, and I'm selecting the Chennai Super King, so you guys can see everything is getting changed. Only the thing we have not done so far is the only card. So let's do it also. Okay, and go in insert. Okay, and select any shape. Okay, not shape, let's select the shape. Okay, select the shape and keep it here like this. 6 cards we need to create. We need to create the 6 cards and select this one, this color. It's all right. Copy and paste. How many times? 6 times. Copy and paste. 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and now we can adjust it accordingly. Okay, we can adjust it. Select all the cards. Okay, go in shape format, click on align and distribute horizontally equally. Okay, now we have created the cards as well, but still the value we have not shown. Just copy this text box which we have right here for the drop down, copy it and paste it and drag it here. Okay, drag it here and change the font color as a black. Okay, and right here total matched. Okay, total matched, sorry, total matched. Increase the font size if you guys want. Okay, and make it little. Okay, now it's all right. Copy it and paste it. Copy and paste it. We need to also remove the borders as well, so I don't want the border. So go in shape, in outline, do it here, no outline. Okay, copy and paste it, and copy and paste it for all the cards. Okay, copy and paste it, copy and paste it, copy and paste it, and copy and paste it. Simple. Copy and paste it. Okay, so what you need to do is, now you need to change the card's name. Total match, won match. Okay, won match, won matched. Okay, won match and lost match. Right here as a lost. And bet. Okay, bet and ball. Bet and ball. I'm writing in simple language, you guys can change it. Ball. Okay, and average, won average range. Okay, won average run. All right, so we have given the title as well. Okay, just select all this text, still it's not aligned properly. If you will see, copy and select all these things, select it, select it, select it. Okay, go in shape format, do it as a distribute horizontally. Okay, distribute vertically as well. All right, now it seems quite good. All right, what next we need to do, you need to again this, you need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, to show the numbers. All right, and you need to increase the weight and height. Okay, and do equal to, and go in the rough and select total match. Okay, so increase the font size, increase the font size and bold it. Okay, bold it and copy it and paste it for all the cards. Okay, copy and paste it for all the cards. Just select and paste it for all the cards like this, and select, just you need to change the references only. Okay, you also guys can put the icons as well, but in my case I have not done. Okay, and select it, select and change the reference of 1 matches, 11 matches. Say for the same here, copy it and pay, just you need to change the reference for this as well, lost matches. Again for the bet, copy, you need to equal to bet, select, change the reference equal to the ball, I mean field, and on an average run equal to rough 7 runs. Alright, you need to just adjust it somewhere like this, and format paste, simply format paste. You have not to do, you have not, you have nothing to do anything apart from this. Okay, simple, format paste. Now everything is ready. If I will do the full screen, so you guys can see this is the dashboard, this is the simple dashboard I would say we have created. Okay, if I will select the team, if I will select any team, you know or select any year 2019, so you guys can see everything is getting changed accordingly, right? So you guys can see if I'm selecting Bangalore, now Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers, everything we are able to see. 2017 we are able to see all the metrics, total matches, won matches, lost matches. Okay, how many times they did the bet in the first inning, how many of them they did the ball first, and they, whatever the matches they won, what was the average run of winning, right? So all those things we have shown in a very simple dashboard. So we have done the lot of calculation, not a lot of calculation, but it's a little bit calculation we have done in the background, and that's what only will help us to show, because unless until we will not do the calculation in the background, we won't be able to show them in the dashboard. So whatever the neat and clean things you are able to see, so there are a lot of the rough activities and rough calculation has been done, okay, in the background, which which we really do not show, okay, to the user, okay, whomsoever are going through and analyzing the dashboard. Okay, so I hope guys you have liked this video, and I would also attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.